Hey guys, Alicia here, where I am all about making a passive and supplemental income online, and also about intentional living and living life budget friendly. I wanted to take a moment today to talk about your Etsy description. One of the common mistakes I see when people are listing on Etsy is they are not taking full advantage of this description at the top. So for example, I made this shirt. This was a Printful Etsy integration, and I put my design on a mock-up photo, and I also have another video that I will link in the description on how to get mock-up photos so you're not just using the plain t-shirt. But I want to focus on this tagline because a common mistake, that I see is that, for example, somebody just might put Salty Soul short sleeve t-shirt and then they would leave it at that. You have several characters to use and you want to take advantage of that entire line. So, you can see here, I put Salty Soul short sleeve t-shirt, and then you put a comma, beach vacation tee, beach life tee, love the beach, great gift idea for beach lover, beach please shirt. Now, I kind of put that in there because anybody who is searching, for maybe a gift idea or, a vacation t-shirt, that might show up in the searches. This is different from your tagline, which that's going to be another video on keyword searches and how to take advantage of Etsy Rank. If you are not logged in or signed up for Etsy Rank, I highly recommend you do so. And I'm actually in the process of doing more research on Etsy Rank. But this was just a quick video on Etsy. When you are making your Etsy listings, make sure you take full advantage of this tagline. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I am making constant videos on how to make a passive income. And I'm telling you, people, I have endless possibilities. Thanks for watching, and everyone have a wonderful day.